Welcome back, guys. So for our L-sit compression lifts, we're going to be using a plate to help us creating an isometric tension when we are flexing our hips. So to help us set up, I'm going to be placing the plate over my foot. Do it so that it's comfortable enough to be able to generate as much force as you can against the plate. Don't make it so that it's uncomfortable and it's hurting you when you're pushing the leg up. Anyway, hands are gonna be pushing as far as you can go, then take 2 steps out with your hands, plant your hands into the floor, fingers nice and wide, and we're going to try to lift that leg up. Now, if you can see me right now, I'm in a flex spine space. You can push your chest forward and extend the spine more. This will make it a little bit more difficult. However, the integrity of your form is a lot better when you're doing this. But for the sake of the exercise, I'm just going to do it just with a flex spine and just work that range, because you're at this beginning stage that you're doing so, you're probably gonna get more out of that than the extended spine. So hands onto the floor. We're gonna create that 10 seconds of isometric tension, trying to lift that foot off. I take it up, I work 10 reps with a 10-second hold at the end range. Once I'm done on both legs, I'm going to then place this plate on top of both my feet. Again, this time, this is going to be harder for me to kind of like imitate the same range that as I did with my single legs. So it probably will allow me to pull my hands a little bit closer to my hips. When I plant my hands into the floor, I push the floor away. I try to lift it for 10 seconds. Let go, push it out, and 10 pulses with a 10-second hold. Now, if your heel is coming off the floor more than this much, then you should probably push your hands further out. If your heel's not coming off the floor, then you should probably look into bringing your hands closer to your hips, as this will make it easier for your legs to lift. However, try to minimize leaning back and lifting up. Try to keep your posture as upright as possible if your hands are here. Over time, as you're driving forward and you're getting stronger in these compressions, you should start looking to actually push your chest forward and do this with more of an upright posture rather than a flex posture. Thank you for watching.